Hello everyone, my name is Radyan and I'm working for Radyan Corporation. So today I'm making this video to help Amazon sellers. Many of you are currently buying product from say China or many other countries. We have the factory in all these countries as well. So we do have factory in Bangladesh. So if you are in clothing industry, if you are in a business in clothing industry, and you are selling to Amazon and many other platforms, then we are the right company for you. So there is no middleman, just contact with us. We are the factory owner. We are the manufacturer, wholesaler, and supplier. So you just contact with us, go to our website and see that which product you are interested in. Just to send that product, we have some kind of MOQ, kind of minimum order quantity, but we will work with you. And then we will ship that product to your warehouse, any parts of the world. So if you want to cut the middleman, if you want to save the money, then you have to contact with the factory owner who can produce, who can manufacture clothes for you. So you just contact with us, go to our website and see that which product you can sell. And then contact with us, we will send you the sample. How we can send you the sample? You have to create an account with the DHL or FedEx and tell them that your sample is coming. Your company is Radyan Corporation. They have the factory. They will drop off your sample on this tracking number. So give us the tracking number. We'll send that sample to you so that you can make a decision, okay? Sometimes we ask for the price for the sample and you are paying for the shipping cost. So yes, any parts of the world, we are ready to send you the sample so that you can see it. And if you are decided, okay, I will be able to sell this product on Amazon without having any middleman, so contact with us. We are the company that is helping so many years right now. And we're working for big giants companies. So now we just changed some policies that we want to help you guys too. So we are a US based company. Our headquarters in Dallas, and we have a factory, as I said, in Bangladesh and some other countries. But most of the shipping right now are going from Bangladesh. So if you are the Amazon seller or you are selling on any online platform, you need product. You don't need to go to Los Angeles or any other companies. There are many companies in the United States. What they are doing, they are actually producing factories in Bangladesh, China, and they are bringing in here, and you guys are buying from them here locally. Okay, that's the one way. But it is a middleman. It has a couple of hands. You are right now contacting with the factory owner who have two kinds of orders. One is pre-made, already made. We already made that product, which we normally call stock loss or overruns. And the other one is that, no, I want to make it new. I have my own designs, my own style. Just make one shirt for me. Just make one denim kinds of pants for me. Yes, obviously we can make it for you. So all you need to do, just contact with us and then give us the quantity, shipping date, and then we will cooperate with you. Okay, it's a big business opportunity, no middleman. You are just working with the factory itself, factory owner. Okay, and you can save lots of money. Now, how you can save the money? You have to find a courier or the shipping company who can transport your product to your door. Okay, we will help you on that too. We have some partnership with USPS. We have some partnership with FedEx and DHL. It's expensive sometimes. So if you have any other idea, you can suggest us. Hey, send my product through this company or this courier. Especially Philippines, all the clients in the Philippines and Middle East countries. You guys are awesome. You are getting huge deal. So buy from us more, and we will help you guys. And also, since I'm an American citizen, I'm an American businessman, so I want to help all the Amazon sellers here in my country, here in America. So guys, contact with us. We'll ship all the product to your door. Don't need to buy immediately. Okay, just check the sample first. We'll send you the sample. Buy the sample first, 1 or 2 sample, and then make decision whether you will buy more or not. And again, the ultimate goal is to sell big. Buy cheap, sell big. No middleman, and we are the guy for you. If you think that no, Radyan, I want to put my own label, it's possible. Okay, everything is possible. Just contact with us, schedule for a call, and we are here to help you guys. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.